Hello, hi everyone. I say it's Ono Shumari to everybody across the globe. May the rays of the rainbow shine brightly into your life and Happy New Year one more time. So, still on Goddexify Enchanted Herbs Classes. So, yeah, I have tannagbowo. Okay, this leaf is called tannagbowo. Tannagbowo. Some call it tannagbosho. Okay, some call it tannagbowo. Some call it tannagbosho. This leaf is called tannagbowo. This one is the leaf of um, um, tomatoes. The indigenous name for it in Yoruba, especially if you want to use it for enchanted purposes, we call it ewe onitikuti. Now, before I go on, let me introduce myself, just in case you are a first time viewer. Thank you for being here. My returning subscribers, thank you for being here. My ritual names are Adodoshu Marushogo Firole Ifatomole Adetokunbo Ere Dade Dimarigbaje Radiate of Iriduatopia Highlands. You're welcome to my channel. So let's this is a bright new year, okay? This is 2025, okay? And you know, you have been writing letters, you have been doing a lot of background work so that you can move forward, but you are finding it so difficult. It's as if you are getting stuck in place, or probably you couldn't get a job, or probably the job you are doing presently is not good enough. You are not being well paid, okay? Or you find it difficult to make to you may probably find it difficult to have new clients, okay? Find it difficult to make good sales. So this is where these two leaves comes in, okay? You take your local soap, any soap of your choice. Some people can bath with the black local soap because they don't like it, or probably it doesn't work for them or something. So you take this tannagbowo, okay? You put it on your local grinding stone, and you take this tomato leaves called ewe onitikuti, okay? If you can see it very well, ewe onitikuti, you ground it. So you add a soap to it, just a soap you can use to bath once, okay? Then you go to a flowing river, okay? You rub your skin with ori shea butter, just slightly. You rub your skin from head to toe. It doesn't matter if you are a woman or a man, okay? You rub it from head to toe, then you cleanse your body. You wash with it, with the soap, okay? Then you ask that your job must move forward. Your workplace, things must change this time. You want progress, or you want a new job, whatever it is that is affecting your work or your job or your shop, or whatever it is you are doing something, a place where you earn, okay? Whatever has made that place unable to bring a new or fresh customer, probably you kept having the same old customer, you are not having new customers now, or you are not having a good salary, and you know that the work you are putting in is worthy of a good salary, okay? Probably your boss refused to promote you, understand, and you want that promotion badly, and you have been writing letters to this company, that company, you want them to employ you, you want them to give you a chance, maybe you have been writing quotations and what have you. This will help, okay? Now, at this point, I want to say that if any of my videos has been of help to you, if any of my videos has uplifted you one way or the other, either the present one that I'm doing now or the ones of the past, please, I would like a donation from you as a little thank you. Kindly share, like, subscribe, click the notification bell so that I can see more of my videos. I share a lot of things on E.I. I share a lot of things. Sometimes it could be about herbs, Sometimes be about spirituality, excuse me. Sometimes it could be about beauty tips. Sometimes it could be about all kinds of stuff. I'm into so many things. It could even be about heart. It could be about cryptocurrency. Okay, and please go through my descriptions, which will be under the videos, because there are so many things I'm into that I may not actually touch on while talking on each videos. Please, excuse me, please go through them. As you go through them, you have an idea of just how much I've packaged into E.I. Okay. Excuse me, I had to drink some water. I'm having cough and catarrh. So that you have an idea just how much I've packaged into E.I. When I say E.I, I simply mean Iridotopia Islands. Okay, so you have an idea what I'm into. So you can follow me up on my social media handles. You can talk to me, chat me up, ask me questions, and if you need readings, if you need herbs prepared for you, either for healing, or you need some natural stuff prepared for you, for your skin, or for your baby, or for yourself, or you need some enchanted stuff, please follow me on my WhatsApp channel. Follow me on my Instagram. You see my social medias. I'm into so many lovely, beautiful things. So you have to reach out to me in order to have easier access to them. Okay. One other thing, I have created a platform called Awaken Flames. Okay, it's a group. I will leave the link down below. The group is on Facebook. It's very new. It's for light workers that are trying to find love. Okay, it could be love in terms of probably polygamy or polyandry, or you're gay or you are straight. Okay, it has different categories. Okay, it doesn't matter. You are welcome. So far, you practice a deep spirituality with the universe, so that makes it easier for whosoever your partner or your partners will be. Is to make your love life easier, so that your love life won't start giving you headache, so much so that you are unable to function very well in your day-to-day life. Okay, so that is that. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you for listening on my video, for viewing it. I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Thanks for being here. Àṣẹ ìtọ̀nà, àṣẹ Erédùà, àṣẹ Ìrìndáde, àṣẹ Olódùmarè.